Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make the most out of your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be sharing a comprehensive guide on how to send a suggestion to Snapchat about the camera. Your suggestions can help improve the camera features for all Snapchat users. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, look for the I have a suggestion option. Tap on it to share your valuable suggestions with the Snapchat team. Step 5. Now, you'll see various topics to choose from. Tap on Camera to specifically address your suggestion regarding the camera feature. Step 6. Write a specific report detailing your suggestion. Be as detailed as possible, explaining the feature you'd like to see or any improvements you suggest for the camera. Remember, your feedback is valuable. Step 7. If you have visual examples or references to support your suggestion, you can add attachments, such as pictures. Simply tap on Add Attachments and select the appropriate files. By following these steps, you can easily send a suggestion to Snapchat about the camera, contributing to the app's continuous improvement and enhancing the overall user experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.